Well, I'm Alan Austin. I'm 75 years old. I coached high school football for about 25 years, and I teach U.S. history. So I was 15 years old. I was throwing newspapers. The car hit me pretty serious. I ended up losing my leg below the knee. I was actually in the process of getting my right knee replaced when I fell. And I just tripped and fell, and I knew it was pretty serious. They took me by ambulance to Medical City Arlington.
Mr. Allen presented with a hip fracture of his left hip that, after shared decision making, we decided to proceed with a hip replacement for the treatment. What's unique about his case in particular is that he had a prior below knee amputation when he was a kid, as well as multiple soft tissue procedures that altered his normal anatomy. You can see the fracture right here. Because of that, we had to be creative in the surgical plan, including deciding which approach to use to make him most stable postoperatively, and the implant selection to replace his hip.
I was so pleased with what happened. I not only did I have the hip replaced at Medical City Arlington, but I also had my knee replaced there. We were impressed with the care and the staff there at Medical City Arlington, and that's why we decided to go with that.
I also treated Alan's brother John, who presented with severe knee arthritis. Today, Alan and John are both doing great after their procedures.
The care I got at Medical City Arlington was incredible. Starting with Dr. Green, I had a lot of trust in him.
The staff was really good, took real good care of you, made you feel comfortable.
I'm active, and I went back to school teaching. My brother and I, we like to go to Colorado. We've been up there several times, and I've done all of the things that I wanted to do up there.